Colorado, Colorado. When the world leaves you shivering and the blizzard blows, when the snow flies and the night falls, there's a light in the window and a place called home at the end of the storm. One night on the mountain I was headed for Estes when the roads turned to ice and it started to snow. Put on the chains in a whirl of white powder, halfway up to Berthoud near a diner I know. And the light burned inside, shining down through the snowfall. God, it was cold, and the temperature droppin. Went in for coffee, and I shivered as I drank, warming my hands in the steam as it rose. Sitting there at the counter was a dark-headed stranger, me and the owner and her keeping warm. Nodded hello, and I said it's a cold one. Looks like there might be a blizzard tonight. And yes, said the owner, there's a big storm on the mountain. Good thing we're open, we could be here for hours. There's nothing for miles, and it's too late to get to Denver. Better not try for the summit tonight. And the snow fell, and the night passed, and I talked to the stranger while the blizzard blew. Me and the stranger, you know I don't talk to strangers. I'm a private sort of person, but a blizzard is a blizzard. And somehow I found myself saying you'd left me, telling her everything I wanted to say to you. You know how it is when you can talk to a stranger, someone you're quite sure you'll never see again. Soon we were laughing and talking and drinking. She said, you must know you're too good for her. And the snow fell, and the night passed, and I talked to the stranger while the blizzard blew. The stranger said, love, it can cry you a river. Me, I'm a loner, 'cause I can't take the heartache. Sometimes I'm a fighter when I get too much whiskey. Here, have a little whiskey, pretend you don't give a damn. My cabin's up here on the side of the mountain. You can go up there and sleep through the blizzard. I put on my parka, said goodnight to the owner, followed the stranger through the snow up the mountainside. woke in the morning to the sun on the snow. My car was buried in 6 feet of snowdrifts. Dug myself out with the help of the owner. Went on my way when the snowplow had been by. The roads were all clear and the sun on the mound sparkled like diamonds on the peak-to-peak highway. Then I knew that I would get over you. Knew you could leave me, but you'd never break me. Colorado, Colorado. When the world leaves you shivering and the blizzard blows, when the